Heartis, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys are not going to be seeing my hair because I am doing another protective style and I already have it braided, so you guys are not going to be seeing my hair. So I was supposed to do a rice water update, but I didn't feel my hair had much of a difference. So it's like, you know, there's nothing to update you on because before I used the rice water, my hair was 14 inches. I then put the protective style in my hair, and then my hair is probably 15 inches. But that could be the protective style. I don't know. You know, I can't tell you it's the rice water. So I didn't see a significant difference. So that's why I'm like, you know, I don't know. Like, I don't know if I should do a full video on this rice water if I didn't really see, you know, like a big difference. But then again, I only use it once, and then I was going to use it twice while I was doing my hair, but then I ended up forgetting that I had it stowed away, and then it ended up spoiling and smelling really bad, like dead bodies. Ugh, it's just a whole mess. Anyways, I have this sexy, and I'm gonna say sexy because it's gonna be sexy. So I have this really cute hair that I am about to do in my hair, and I only have 4 packs remaining. I did this hairstyle in someone else's hair before. It was like the blue and the green and teal, and I was like, ooh, this is cute. This is really cute. This is really cute. So I have this black hair. It's the BOMBA Faux Locs sole, and this is 12 inch in the color black. So I have this hair, and I'm like, you know what? I am going for it. This is going to be the first time I have ever done faux locks in my hair ever in life. I did try to do the individual method. I don't know how these people will be doing it because your girl did not succeed. I tried the Jazz Nicole method, and I was like, okay, Jazz, I don't know how you're doing this, but my hair is getting all types of tangled. So I just like, no. And then I tried wrapping the hair around it, but then the hair ended up being really puffy. So I'm like, you know what? I'm done. I am not going to be doing no individual nothing. I'm just going to be doing my braiding pattern how I normally do it for my crochet. And we're going to put this crochet in how I normally do it. With all that said and all that out of the way, you guys, I am going to start installing this hair. I'm going to show you guys my braiding pattern. I already laid my edges, so my edges are sleek, looking good. So I have 2 braids on the side, and I have 2 braids on the side right here too. And then I did 4 huge. When your girls say huge, I mean huge, okay? I did 4 huge braids going back. You see? 4 huge braids. And then I did my normal thing where I just crochet them in. Like, I just crocheted this braid into this one, and I crocheted, I think, this braid into that one and this one, you know? And that's my braiding pattern. So I'm about to put this hair in, and stay tuned. So each pack has about 21 locks. So I'm just going to be starting from the back. Oh, and also, like, what I'm going to be doing, I am going to probably, like, I want the ends to have like a little curl to it, so I'm going to be separating some of the ends a little bit, like not all the way, but just a little bit. So you see, it'll look like this, and that's, so I'm just crocheting it from the bottom of each part. doing the front because remember I told you guys that I only have 4 packs. So I just want to go ahead and fill the front first. That way, you know, whatever packs I have left, I'll use it to fill the back. So that's what I'm doing right now. So this is what I'm looking like so far. Okay, so I'm almost done the top. I'm going on 3 packs of hair, but I have to leave. So I'm just trying to make it look how 3 packs looking. I have to, when I reach back, I have to unravel the bottoms and I have to add some to the back because I don't have enough hair to the back. But so far this is how it's looking, and I'm just going to leave it like that temporarily until I come back home to finish it. Alright. Okay guys, so I am back and this is still 3 packs. This is how much that's left from the 3rd pack. Since I was in a hurry to go, I didn't complete it. I didn't finish it how I wanted to finish it, but I did went ahead and I filled the top. As you can see, I filled the top, but I didn't finish do the front right here. I didn't finish do the front right here either. And when I look in the mirror, like probably over here, like right here, could take some. Right here, need a few. And then right here, need some. So I'm going to fill those in. Okay, so this is what 3 packs of hair look like. Using the mirror, I went ahead and tried to fill it a little bit. So this is what 3 packs of hair is looking like. Put it to the back. So I have 1 more pack. Remember, I have 4 packs. So I have 1 more pack, and then I'm just going to use it to fill the front. And then wherever I can fit it in the back to make the back look a little fuller. Because for me right now, the back look good, but it could look a little fuller. And then I'm going to like accessorize it and frill out the ends, and y'all will see the whole thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and open them up a little bit, just like this. Then I have some soft dreadlocks, but I just want to see how it will look. So I'm going to separate it in about 3. you so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.